Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your sensory deprivation tech center business. So as a business owner, I receive a lot of queries on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and then whenever a user is going to send a message to a WhatsApp chat, then automatically this chatbot is going to reply to that message. So here if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot that can automatically answer customer queries, share booking links, and collect details for your sensory deprivation tech center. It's a great way to save time and respond to customers instantly. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the WhatsApp chatbot that I have already created for my sensory deprivation tech center. And here I've created this amazing chatbot using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already created. And for that let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop the text as, "Hey, I want to know about your center." And it says, "Hello and welcome to Serenity Float Center. We are here to help you experience deep relaxation and mental clarity through our sensory deprivation tanks. So to get started, may I have your full name?" So I'm going to give the name as demo user. And it says, "Thanks, let's help you explore how floating can benefit you. Please choose an option below to continue." And here you can see we have received the 3 quick reply button as float benefits, pricing info, location and hours. So let's select float benefits. And it says floating in our sensory deprivation techs can help. Here you can see the benefits and it says it's like a massage for your mind and body. Ready to book your first slot? And we have received the quick reply button as book a session or contact us. So let's click on book a session. Say it's awesome. To book a float session, just visit our website and choose your preferred time slot. Our team will confirm your appointment shortly after. So this is the link over here, and here we have received the quick reply button of contact us. So these are the contact details received. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this chatbot by using a all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to access the Pabbly Chatflow you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's homepage, and here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to select Pabbly Chatflow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and here let me tell you that I've already set up my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here if you wish to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. And now here let me give an overview that how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that you need to click on this add a WhatsApp number, and here you can see 2 options, that are WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. So if you wish to learn about this method in detail, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. And here if you wish to access the manual token connect, then it is going to ask for the meta access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So here to get all these details you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And once you're going to set up the account, you are going to get all these details, and after getting the details you need to add the details over here, and then you need to click on this next, and then you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And now here let me tell you the amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offers, available in the left sidebar. So here if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. So let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So here by using this particular feature you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contact. So here by using this particular feature you can see and manage your contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queue. So here by using this feature you can see all your team members at one place and the status of the chat assigned to each of the team member. Then comes the template. So here by using this particular feature you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So here by using this feature you can create send and schedule the broadcast messages for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flows. So here by using this particular feature, you can create the WhatsApp chatbot for your business. And then comes the AI assistant. So here by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the activity log. So here in this feature, you can see all your activities of your Pabbly Chatflow account at one place. Then comes the settings, and here under settings, you can see some more features. So here if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the get help option. So here by using this particular option, you can get a response to all your queries regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the features section, and now here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for my business, let's access the feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. And now here in this flow builder, you can see all the flows that I've created over here using Pabbly Chatflow till now. So now we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, and for that we are going to add a flow over here. And now here I'm going to give a name to my flow first, such as WhatsApp chatbot for sensory deprivation tank center business. And now after giving a name to my chatbot, is asking me to set up the flow start. So here I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can set up the flow start as keywords, regex or the template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or else you can set the keywords and the regex as well. So here if you will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we will add keyword like hey. That is a very basic keyword. So for that you need to type the keyword first, and then you need to press and enter to make it a valid keyword. So whenever a user sends a message with this word, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different way. One person might say, tell me about these services, while another might write, I want to book a session. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expression, to create a smarter trigger. So here using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect the common query words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, moves to the next steps. So it says enter the regex to match substring trigger, enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So here it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for case sensitive regex only. Alright, so this was all about the flow start, and now here after setting up the flow start, we are going to move forward. So once my customer is going to send message to my WhatsApp chat, then I want to send a hello or a welcome message to my customer with asking about the customer name. So for that what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this action type notes, and from here I'm going to add ask a question message box, because here I'm going to ask my customer about the customer name. So here I'm going to enter the text as hello and welcome to Serenity Float Center. We are here to help you experience deep relaxation and mental clarity through our sensory deprivation tanks. To get started, may I have your full name? So here you can see I'm asking about the full name from my customer. And now here after entering the text here, let me tell you that I have bold some text over here by adding the asterisk before and after the sentence. So here you have to use this particular text format to bold your text. And now here after asking about the name, that means after entering the text, it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So I've already created a contact custom field for my full name. So here if you wish to learn that what is this contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. And here also let me tell you that how you can access this contact custom field. So for that you need to click on the settings, and from here you need to select contact custom field over here. Alright, so now here I'm going to select the contact custom field that I've already created for the full name, and then I'm going to select the format as text. And then here is asking me for the number of attempts. So I'm going to give the number of attempt as 1, and then here is asking for the validation error message. So here I don't want to add any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank. And now here after adding the question message box, I'm going to connect this flow start with this question message box. And now once my customer is going to reply with this question, automatically I want to send another text to my customer that says, thanks, let's help you explore how floating can benefit you. Please choose an option below to continue. And then here after entering the text, I'm going to add some quick replies button where I'm going to enter the text as float benefits, pricing, info and location and hours. Alright, so now after entering the message box, here I'm going to set up the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button further. So let's start with the float benefits. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as floating in our sensory deprivation tanks can help. These are the benefits, and it says it's like a massage for your mind and body, ready to book your first float. And then I'm going to add some quick replies button where I'm going to enter the text as book a session and contact us. Alright, so for now we are going to leave these quick reply button and we are going to move back to the main message box. And now we are going to add a text box for the another quick reply button, that is pricing info. And here I'm going to enter the text as, here you can see the entire pricing info over here. And then I'm going to add some quick reply button over here with the text as, book a session and contact us. Alright, so let's move back to the main message box. And here we are left with the last quick reply button, that are location and hours. So we are going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as the entire location detail and the working hours. And then I'm going to add a single quick reply button over here with the text as, contact us. Alright, so with this we have successfully added the text boxes for these quick reply button. And now we are left with the quick reply button as, book a session and contact us. So here for a book a session we are going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, awesome, to book a float session, just visit our website and choose your preferred time slot. Our team will confirm your appointment shortly after. And this is the website link. Alright, so now I'm going to connect all book a session quick reply button to this message box. Alright, and here I'm also going to add a quick reply button where I'm going to enter the text as, contact us. Alright, so now after setting up this message box, we are going to move forward with contact us message box. And for that I'm going to add another text box over here. And here I'm going to add the message as, the entire contact details. And then here I'm going to connect all the contact us quick reply button to this message box. So I'm going to build this connection. And with this, we have completely set up a WhatsApp chatbot for the sensory deprivation text center business. Alright, so this is a very simple and the short chatbot that we just right now created. And now after creating the chatbot, we are going to save our flow first. And it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully set up a WhatsApp chatbot over here. And now after setting up the WhatsApp chatbot, here let's go and test our chatbot. So for that, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. So I'm going to clear the chat from here to start it from the scratch. And here let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and I'm going to drop the text as, hey, I want to book a session. And here you can see the message that we have received that says, hello and welcome to Serenity Float Center. We are here to help you experience deep relaxation and mental clarity through our sensory deprivation tanks. To get started, may I have your full name? Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot. Alright, so let's take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected our flow start as regex, and here after triggering the WhatsApp chatbot, we have added the question where we have added a hello or a welcome message for our customer, and here we have asked full name from our customer, and then further we have set up the entire WhatsApp chatbot for the quick replies button as well. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created. And now here if you wish to learn about some more chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, so now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create many other chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please try Pabbly Chatflow for free today.